got a threesome
All
up
right.
there. They're gonna follow. They're gonna be our leaders.
Okay. So remember, one of our rules is not to run. We're going to head on out there now. Let's go.
In your line. You got one waiting. Hold on, she's coming. Caroline, has she come out?
No, we have 3 that are getting water. Melinda says she will bring them.
Okay, good.
So we are good. You have a good night? How was sleeping over? Yeah? What'd you do during the night?
I slept in the cabbage. I slept in the wall. I didn't feel like
Is that the first time you ever slept over? Yeah? Did you have fun? Yeah? Did you miss your bed? Yeah. The floor was a little hard?
yeah, but we had a mattress.
Oh, did you? Oh, good.
Me, Joy, and my mom.
Oh, good.
Joy had a sleeping mattress. Yeah, she had to do that with the mattress. I didn't know if the mattress was clean.
Okay.
We didn't have mattress in our kitchen. We got mattress out of the house. I made a mattress for our first time.
What was the best part of sleeping over?
Talking, playing. And going to the ferry, going to town.
Oh, real fairy town there.
It's like ferry. It's here. I'm going to the we're going to make it real high. Like you get bamboo. Make a water gun. You can make a water gun hard. And I just put my water on
Okay, girls. When we get out here, the most important thing when we get out here is that you have to be invited to come onto the course, because this is not a playground. This is a place where we do activities and we need to be safe. And so until you're invited on the course, you don't want to go past this gate. So when I invite you on the course, before I do that, I'm gonna separate you into 2 groups, and we're gonna do some get to know you activities to make sure everybody knows everybody before we get started. So Hilton Resort. Wait a second. Should I do it? One of you with me and one with you. I know, but that's what they're.
That was the whole point.
Alright, so Hilton Resort is going to take, I think, 10 of you, and then I'll take 11 in the other group, and we're going to do just 2 games to make sure we know everybody. Well, Melinda's going to be.
Why don't you guys pick the ones that have never done it before?
Okay, so raise your hand if you've done the course. Everybody that's done the course, come sit right over here. You're invited in. Okay.
Stay right there.
Oh, wow. Wait a minute, girls. Have y'all done the course? Okay, y'all stay right back. Only the girls that have done the course were invited in.
Okay, girls, since a lot of of you have done the course. We need to separate you into even groups. Hey girls. We need to separate even groups. So I'm going to ask you, if you've already done this before, not to give all the answers away to the ones that haven't, because you're going to be in a group with some that haven't done it before, okay?
Ask when they did it. If it's been a while or if they did it yesterday with us.
Who did it yesterday?
That had Ortholine or something. Yeah.
So y'all were all in the same group?
Yeah.
The ones that didn't do it yesterday, I would pull them back and read the ones that did it yesterday all in the group.
Okay, well it's going to be only like 5 that have done it before yesterday.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so what I want is, I want you, and you to come back over here.
I did it.
There was 8 over here that hadn't done it before, so you were like, what, 8 and 12?
13 here now. Can I move these two over?
I would keep everybody that did it yesterday over there and the ones that didn't do it yesterday over here.
Yeah, there are a couple of these little ones that did yesterday though, and not done it before.
Okay. All right, so what you got, some that's done it more than once before.
Okay, so I'm going to move you two girls, Lily, y'all come over here. Yeah.
Don't kill it. It's just long.
1, 2, 3.
Okay,
y'all go
pooped on me. The people who were in there. I know.
Haley, you and Tori stay on this side. Tori, y'all back over.
Stay right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then there's should be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 there. Okay, so those are 2 groups. Okay, so, all right, girls, I need you to listen for a few more minutes. We're going to spread the tarp out in a few minutes. And the tarp is for you to put your stuff on. So, Pooh over there, Pooh was not here a few minutes ago when we did introductions. That's Pooh. And then you met, which one are you? Okay, she's Hilton, and she's Resort. And I'm just Sarah. I don't have a name yet. So maybe y'all can help me come up with a name today. I know.
Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books?
I do.
Bookworm.
Y'all think about it, and at the end of the day, y'all can tell me what my name's going to be, okay? Y'all think about it. It might not be good.
We already know it.
Okay. So I'm going to take my group over, and then this group's going to be a little bit away from us, and we're going to do two activities to make sure we know everybody's name, and then we're going to get started. But we really need y'all, because there are 2 groups, you got to really pay attention so that we can get a lot of activities done, because the more you talk and they're distracted, the less we'll get done today, okay?
Sarah, would you like for me to take the ones I had yesterday since I knew where they got to? Or I'm asking.
No, whatever.
Okay,
That sounds great. That's perfect.
Because that way I won't make them have to repeat things they just did
Okay.
yesterday. But we may repeat something. So
Yeah.
would that be better?
No, that sounds good.
Okay.
Once you do that.
Did you have these girls yesterday? You had the counselors yesterday. Right? These are the ones we
Oh,
had
y'all
yesterday.
had those. That's right. These aren't my girls anyway. What am I talking about?
We can tell you what we did.
So it doesn't matter since I wasn't with either one of them.
Yeah, this is so weird.
So who out of this group do you also have?